how to give access on Google Drive and how to share your files with anyone you want. Easy and simple. So first open up Google Drive application and here in the bottom tap on Files. Here I select any file I want to share with. I tap on this icon in 3 dots. Tap on it and tap on share, and here I can select exact person I want to share it, and here I can put in person's email. I've put the person's email here, and in this drop down menu I can choose the role of this person to that particular file or folder. It can be viewer, a person just can view the file, it can be commenter, view and comment, and it can be editor, the person will have the full access to this file. For example, it will be editor, and here I can add some message and press this button. And now you see how to has been added to this particular file. And also I can make some kind of special link to share file with another people. Let's tap on this icon again, press share, and here in the bottom I can see this button with globe. Press on it, and here I can tap on the first link, and here choose who can get access to this file from the web. Now we see anyone with the link will can access to this file. I can tap here and change this option to maybe restricted. By default here we get this option, so if you want to share this file to anyone, you may tap here. And here we also can make the role for the person who will get access to this file, viewer, commenter or editor. To copy the link you can press here and link copied to clipboard. Now you can share it with anyone you want. So now you know how to give access on Google Drive and share your files with anyone. Make sure you like this video. See you next time.